Ese mubisoma reka mbabarira. Nara greatest one here in the city, Kigali, yeah? Dear my friend, hey! I calling everyone where you are, whatever you do, come and visit our beautiful city, Kigali. You know, that's the point, the area where you can go, you can visit something differently, okay? Wow, Rwanda service officer. Niko kaangalia. Wapendwa wasikilizaji wapo pale pale kwa East Africa, Kenya, Burundi, Uganda, Tanzania. You come. You're most welcome here in Kigali, Rwanda. You will never regret. You will see how our city is so beautiful. Even if the people from the Europe, America, and other different countries and continents all over the world, when you come in Rwanda, you will see the great oh wow. By the way, to get more information, visit our channel and get more. The number you can contact is 07348 42 600. It's getting a boy. Type me on my WhatsApp and ask me more about. Yeah? You're most welcome here. This is Kigali. This is Kigali. One of the beautiful city in Africa. Even if it's at night, everything is alright. Oh, we are at the end of 2024 and we enter in 2025. By the way, this is the 1st January 2025. You welcome here in Rwanda, where you can get more shuttles. Woo-hoo. But it's so great. So great. Like, share, comments to my video, and I would like to see your comments. You tell me how you see this. Tell me how you see this. Even if it's a day, the Kigali is so great. Great city. Happiest city, happiest season. Happy New Year to you all. The people from abroad, you're most welcome here in Rwanda, especially in this period. One of the period that our city is so great, so great. Kigali, Rwanda. Alikuwa kaangalia hiyo. Ah. Okay, let's go. Let's try to enter. This is the Kigali, Rwanda. Français? Peut-être le français? Ok. C'est très bien, c'est très bien, c'est très bien pour parler français. Avec les gens qui sont essayés pour parler français. I don't really know. Tu connais que moi, je sais pour parler français, mais c'est un peu. Ce n'est pas bon. My language in French is not good. You wait a moment. You wait. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. They give us the opportunity to pass. Okay. Thank you. Habita kwa Makuza Peace Plaza. The one. East African Forex Bureau. Hey, when you come here in Rwanda, please visit this officer, East African Forex Bureau, where you can get the exchange your currency, yeah? So you're most welcome here in Rwanda. Oh, yeah. Nara. Yeah. By the way, let me take this opportunity to greet you where you are. In East Africa, West Africa, all over Africa, you could know this. This is a Kigali, Rwanda. The beautiful city I ever know. Yes. No, you come together. Nitugera turagaruka. What are you saying? Ngiye kwa mwicaye. Inyubako zifunze he? Dutembere nyine tugereyo tugaruka cyangwa mwicaye ngaho nzi. Mwicaye ngaho nzi. Ni mwicaye ndagiye gushaka iyo tujyamo. Let me cover this. I'm coming fast. On the 1st of January 2025, I wish you all the best. Happy New Year. The great particular city to visit. This is the Kigali city, Rwanda, where you can get this opportunity to come and visit different parties in this city. Okay? So, friends and families, you could come in here in Rwanda, Kigali, and visit this beautiful city, beautiful region, beautiful country of thousand hills. This is Rwanda. This is Rwanda. We are on the 1st January 2025. You could come here together with your family and the members and being together with us. What did the starting of year 2024? So it's so great to come here. Big Bank of Kigali. One of the best here in Africa, Kigali, Rwanda. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time for coming here, it's a short service I need to you. Please subscribe to my channel today and I get a benediction from your hearts, from your hands, and I will thank you very much for being together with us. This is Kigali, Rwanda. So the things I have to the bottom of my heart to thank you very much for being together with us. And to the TV, we are always here for serving you the best. We are always being here for serving you the best. Okay. This is a car-free zone. There is no cars and bike allowed to come here. It's the place everyone walk with his or her foot, and they take something you need, a picture, like pictures. It's very good area to talk with your family, walking your foot and refreshing your mind. By the way, it's a great zone to refresh your minds. Okay, when you come here in Rwanda, you will see all the best. You will visit different parties of our country, and I promise that you will never regret. Stay with us, don't go far away. This is Tuza TV, one of the most channel that could just represent you, all our beautiful, our country, our motherland here in Rwanda. So thank you. Would you remember this building is called the Makuza Peace Plaza? Peace Plaza, one of the best building here in Kigali, Rwanda. I showed you the one, but here we have many more. You could come here or visit our country and watch more. So, Happy New Year to you all. We love you so much. And we would like to show you how our beautiful city is. Seems like in the starting of the year 2025. I wish you all the best where you are, whatever you do, all over the world. Be with us. So, God bless you. It's your boy MC Johnny Bryan. If you need to know more, if you come, it's your first time for coming here in Rwanda, type on my number 07 888 42 688. If you come to upload, you could type the country code plus 250 7888 42 60. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel today. It's again your boy. If it is your first time for coming here in Rwanda, you most welcome here, and you will see the beautiful Rwanda is one of the best in East Africa and in whole Africa. If you come, you will see more. Type plus 250 7888 42 68800. My WhatsApp is working, and thank you for being together with me.